Hello, welcome. Today let us have a construction based on locus. The construction is this. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 3.5 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Hence, your first bit is construct the locus of points inside the triangle which are equidistant from BA and BC, and your second bit is construct the locus of points inside the triangle which are equidistant from B and C, and your third bit is mark the point which satisfies the above two loci as P and measure PB. Just I have read once. Now let us construct step by step. First, construct a triangle ABC in which AB is given, BC is given, angle ABC is given. So angle ABC means if we take BC as base, it will be easy for us. Angle ABC 60 degree can be taken. So BC 6 cm. I cannot do with actual constructions, with actual measurements, but I can give you rough idea. Okay. Let us take this as BC. Okay, now let me name it as BC. This is 6 cm. Just roughly I am doing. Okay. Now angle ABC is 60 degree. Angle A is somewhere here. Angle ABC is 60 degree. So you have to take rounder. Taking this as center, construct angle 60 degree. Okay. Let us take this as 60 degree. Angle ABC is 60 degree. And A is somewhere on this line. AB is 3.5 cm. So let us take this is 3.5 cm. From here given arc of 3.5 cm. Name it as A. Now let us join A and C. If you join A and C, triangle construction is completed. So whatever measurement BC we have taken 6 cm. Angle ABC is 60 degree. AB is 3.5 cm. Okay. So construction of triangle is done. First bit. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB, BC and angle ABC is 60 degree done. Now your first bit is construct the locus of points inside the triangle which are equidistant from BA and BC. So the locus of the points which are equidistant from the two arms of the angle is the angle bisector or bisector of the angle that already you have learned. So let us bisect angle ABC, and that bisector, and it is asked, the question is construct the locus of point inside the triangle. So the bisector which lies inside the triangle is the required locus for the second bit. So in order to bisect from 0 degree, one arc, from 60 degree, another arc. So let us join this point and this point, that is 30 degree. Bisector. And up to this only is required because inside triangle ABC. Let me name it as X. So what is asked, let me write first. ABC is the triangle, is the required triangle or construction because it is asked. Construct. Then your first bit, construct the locus of points inside the triangle. Let me write BX is the locus of points inside the triangle equidistant from BA and BC, equidistant from BA and BC. Okay. Now, second bit is construct the locus of points inside the triangle which are equidistant from B and C. That too you have learned that if you have to construct the locus of the points locus of the points equidistant from 2 points is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points. So here the perpendicular bisector of BC is the locus of points inside the triangle which are equidistant from B and C. So we have to bisect this BC. Further from B, one are this side, one are this side. From C, one are this side, one are this side. And let us join these 2 points. Okay. And it is us inside the triangle. So from here to here, let me name it as Y and let me name it as Z. From Y to Z is the required locus. This is your first bit. Your second bit is YZ is the locus of points. What we have done, we have to write in the form of statements. Inside the triangle, equidistant from B and C. From B and C. Now, last one asked, mark the point. Let me write mark the point P which satisfies the above two. Okay, mark the point. P given. Mark the point which satisfies above the 2 loci as P. Now you see children, we got X. Bx is the locus of points equidistant from BA and BC. YZ is the locus of points equidistant from B and C. And the point which satisfies both these is the point of intersection of Bx and YZ. And that we have to name as P. That is what asked. Mark the point which satisfies the above 2 loci as P. So, the point of intersection of these two, that is Bx and YZ, is P. Next, measure PB. We have to measure PB. You know children, I have not done with actual measurements, but as per my measurement calculation, we are going to get, means roughly PB is equal to 3.4 cm. You will get 3.3, 3.4 or 3.5 like that. But as per my calculation, I got 3.4 cm. I hope this is clear to you. And in the previous video, actually in the class, I have done one construction. Today I have done one more construction. If the concept is clear, it will be very easy for you to construct the locus of points and the constructions based on locus. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Thank you.